Hey Maddie, I'm the self-appointed couch queen of TikTok, and I was tagged in your video because other people know this to be true too. So I think I can help and offer some expertise advice for you. You said you're looking for a sectional, you're willing to wait, which lets me know you're willing to invest a little bit more money. You're in a phase of life where you want something nicer, and you want something that is dog friendly. You specifically said you wanted slip cover to be able to wash your cushions with, and so I have a few options for you. First up, something that you didn't mention that I always recommend to people with dogs is actually leather. This is Pottery Barn's Big Sur sofa, and the reason why I always say go with leather, here, let me flip me around a little straighter. Go with leather is because not only can you easily clean off any drool, water, dirty paws, pet hair just sweeps off of it, the actual dander and the smell of dogs doesn't bleed through the leather and get into the foam and the cushions as easily as it would with a fabric sofa. So if leather's in the budget, I would think and I would recommend that leather be your first choice for your sectional. The second reason why I recommended the Pottery Barn Big Sur leather is that you can replace the cushions. So like heaven forbid, a knife cut, a Sharpie marker, something happens. You can individually purchase these to replace the cushions. Also, this caramel leather is timeless. I went through your feed and saw a little bit of what I think your style is, and the sofa you already have has a similar arm to this Big Sur. If you want something a little different, I'd actually go with the York from Pottery Barn. It has a slimmer, softer, more feminine arm, and I actually own that sofa myself, and I'm obsessed with it. And so they have 3 different colors in the caramel leather, and I think that this will grow with you and grow with your style as you change over the different seasons of your life. The second option is it's a little bit more affordable, and it's from Article. Third option I love for you is from Value. This only comes in the gray. The other cream, you said you already had white and cream sofas, so this would be your only choice for them, but you can wash or replace any of the cushions. It's extremely comfortable, and it's by far the most affordable out of all the sectionals. Fourth option is from Joybird, and it's in their velvet. Any velvet or suede, like Pottery Barn, West Elm, they call it their Everyday Suede collection, are the ones you want because they are the most pet friendly. The sofas that I've recommended are all shipping on time, so 8 to 12 weeks. And if you would like a design broker quote to see what your price would be with all of these custom sofas, just shoot me a DM and I would love to help you.